Hey, what's really good, people? Welcome back. Axtuo's back at me. How you doing? How you been? I'm not gonna hold you up. I got this 2005 Acura MDX. I'm gonna show you how to do the radiator real quick, guys. So stay tuned. You know how to support the channel. Click on that heart. It's super tense. Right below this video. Do your thing. Pause. And oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, share, all that. Yeah, me. Alright, hopefully you can see that. Yeah, it's 2005. If you have this is the first generation between 2001 and 2006. If you have a car between those years, then this is for you. Alright. There's a cover at the bottom. I'm gonna have to remove that. And we're gonna have to remove this too. There's a clip over here, there's a clip over here. Here, clip over here. Over here. You know about here's our guy right here. You see it. I'm gonna save that. Alright. Some right here. Better, I guess. These bolts, so the ones that hold the radiator. These ones are for the condenser. These are for the radiator. Oh, this is a 2005, so it's so rusty. So I'm gonna have to do this too. Yeah, boy. Yeah, why not? Huh. Like this anyway. Ooh. It's an ugly design. Ugly. This side. WD-40 all the way around. We're gonna remove the latch too. Holes. Set holes in there. Needle plier. The valves. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts that hold the fan. Same on the other side. Almost out. 10mm with a little extension. 10mm with a little extension for those bolts, so you can reach it. No shame. Okay. Sometimes when it's too far, you gotta hold it with a vice grips. Sorry for the background noise. There. Some little holes here. Now to do this latch. 10mm too. 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. See. Okay, we're gonna do the latch. Lift this so you can reach the bulb right below the handle, whatever you wanna call that. Good for now, alright? Let's go to the bottom. So here at the bottom where everything is beautiful, we have this cover right here. Just go like that. Our clips right where you see the holes. The clips go that way, like, you know what I'm saying? There's a clip over here, clip over here, clip over there. It's the same on the other side, alright? So right here, there's some bolts that hold the. I'm gonna have to pop these holes, and then there's a bolt right here. We're probably gonna have to do this one. This is for the latch. Let's see if. Another bolt right here for the fan. That's for the fan. Another one over here. Another one over here. Alright. Pretty much it. That's for the bottom. Alright then. So let me give you an update. You're gonna have to remove this guy, the passenger side. Okay? He has a bracket. Okay. Remove the 2 bolts here. Then at the bottom, there's 1 here, 2 over there, 1 here. Okay, 10 millimeter. All right. Now with that, you have more space. You're gonna remove first this fan, then the fan that is over here. You're gonna slide it this way, pull it out, then move that. Pull out the radiator. Look all that. Oh, and I have to pop this 10 millimeter too from here, both sides. Okay, it's right here. Then pop it. Eventually, it's gonna come out. It's not that hard. Now do it in reverse. Pretty much. Yeah. Yeah, that show was crazy. If you have any questions, you know what I'm saying, put it in the comment box. Let me know how you feel. Oh, the port. Sorry. The other way.
go down and put your hole on it. So there you go. How do you get your cover?
The witch.